Hi guys, today we're going to be doing a video of my friend rates my fidgets and I rate her fidgets. Let's start. So Millie, that was really loud. So Millie, rate this.
Okay, so you are going to be rating
this. Yeah.
You can rate my
not now. You rate all
So
my
I'm going to
dimples.
rate your first.
Put it there so the fans can see. Yeah, they can see that.
So is this a 1 out of 20 or
No, out of 10.
1 out of 10? Okay.
One to
I
10.
rate this maybe a 5.
You mean?
I'm not mean.
Let's see, guys. What would you wait? Comment down below, guys. What would you rate this foot sound?
It's not very fancy, but
But that's good. It's still good for you. So
Yeah.
moving on.
pop it.
This
No, you need to rate mine.
No, you rate all my things puppets first, and then I'll rate yours.
No, you rate these, and
Lily.
then we can move on to pop it.
Fine. Okay, just do my puppets. Do both sides. This is a really good puppet, by the way. Well, it's not really. It's really bad. But yeah. It's hard, but yeah. Acupressuring.
That I gave her earlier, and she gave me some fake
Acupressure.
globbles. I gave her an
mini
acupressure
rubber
ring, and I gave her some rubber
Okay, what do you
globbles.
rate it?
I rate this
Okay, rate it. Just rate it.
5.5.
Why? Why you rate it? Why are you being so harsh?
I'm not being harsh. It says 5.5.
Next. Okay, so I think this puppet. Sorry, guys. Look. It's different. Like this pastel box. Yeah. See ya. Rate that on both sides. Just don't. You don't have to do all of one side. Though. I hear somebody. Birds are annoying.
They're not annoying. It's nature, man.
I said they're annoying in our videos.
Yeah, guys, we made all of these videos on the exact same day, so
we post we don't post. I don't post every day. Well, sometimes I do, but only. I'm already posting when my friends are around.
She posts a video literally every minute.
I'm
So,
joking. I don't.
and she might do a live stream on her YouTube one day.
Okay, what do you rate it?
I just rate it the same as that of the puppet.
Why?
5.5. Because they're the same.
They're not the same. This one's a bit better.
I'm gonna rate this square.
Yeah, rate that scrap. It's very hard. That's not my fault.
It's good. It is sticky.
Oh, sorry. Don't rate it because I put ice cubes in it. It's only on one side though. That side's bad. Sometimes bounces back up.
Yeah, that happens to mine.
What do you rate it?
I don't know. Maybe I rate it 4. 4. Yeah.
Harsh.
So
It's out of 10, you know.
I want to rate you Dino Papa.
Just pop it on, okay.
Can I rate that?
Yep, let me just get it onto the good side. So that's my mini dino puppet, and it's very good for traveling. I just like to travel with it. I travelled with it yesterday.
I take all of my fidgets wherever I go. So.
Same.
Cause even when I'm at school, I bring fidgets, and when it's lunchtime and break time, I don't leave them in the classroom because one of your class friends could say to the
I'll
teacher.
bring my fidgets to class. I'll probably bring this fidget to class too. I just rate it. What do you rate it?
So I rate this
It's a really good rate.
a 9.
Whoa! Do you like smaller things better?
Yeah. So now I'm gonna rate this, which I think I'm.
Okay, try the other side now because it's taking a bit too long.
I felt this before, and I
Try the other side. Don't do all of that side.
and this. I actually love this puppet, and I've felt it before, and I'm gonna rate this a 10. It's
It's because it's really soft, not
yeah,
hard.
and it's such
Look,
a good
it's so
puppet.
bendy and you can bend it in your pocket.
Yeah, and it's such a good one.
So we'll
So
put
now
it over
she is going to rate my my simple dimples and my pockets.
Yeah, girl.
So I'm just going to get all my pockets.
So, yeah.
I don't have as many pockets as her. Because...
But she has more dimples. She has more.
Most of my
So, guys, I'm just going to stand my camera up. So
most of my pockets are in my
not story
house.
times. It's not story times. Okay, it's like written fidget times. So, guys, let's try this side.
Most of my pockets are in my house.
Okay, we know that. Okay, I'll give that a 7.5. No, I'll give that a 9.5. Just eating in the background.
Yeah, I'm just eating a worm.
I give this a 8 out of 10 because it's not as good.
This isn't a
Time
real
to
worm.
do dimple digits. I can't even see it. Okay. So dimple digits, but it doesn't have digits on because it's not meant for learning. Actually, that one's got a hole in.
I know. I found that when I bought it.
Sorry guys, I'm blocking the camera. I give that a 10. Moving on to puppets, children.
Children?
Keep
Could be grown-ups watching that as well.
So, guys. Hey guys.
Just say ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies, that sounds like something.
Gentlemen, boys and girls.
Okay, let's do this side. I think it's the loud side. I rate this. Can you hear her in the background? She's just clapping, saying 9 3/4, 9 3/4.
That's what I rate it.
I gave it
Wait,
7.
I don't rate it 9.
A 7. Okay, guys.
That's my second best puppet.
So that's popular. It's not very good, but
That's my second best puppet. That's the quiet side.
nature.
Nature.
Guys, I just jumped because there was a
There was a spider.
in my house.
Yeah, there was a spider on my jumper like yesterday, and it was so scary. And no, this is not story time.
Yeah, we're just talking.
We're just like chatting in this video.
Okay, I give this. That's loud. I got. It looks like an Nintendo.
Hello.
It looks like.
Did they just see my face? Hello.
No, they couldn't. They can't even see your knees. No. I give this.
Hello, guys.
I give this a 9.5.
Guys,
It's my channel, not yours. You're not allowed to talk to them. Stop.
Do you guys want me to do a face reveal on myself?
Yes. Okay. Let's listen to this, guys, because
That's my best puppet.
no, if you want to, but
Like, I want to, but I want to, like, wait for a different video.
well, next video. Anyway, guys, we're just organising videos here.
Yeah, we're
This is
organising videos.
I
in
give this a 10.
video.
Okay.
So, guys,
Okay,
one-
who's going to rate some
So
of
guys,
mine?
later we're planning on showing a face reveal.
Okay, that's fine.
Maybe me, and actually maybe the person's channel herself.
AKA Claudia.
Yeah.
Yeah, you've got to rate all my squishies and stress balls.
Yeah, and you've also got to rate all of my squishies and stress balls.
After. Do
Yeah.
mine first.
So I'm just gonna put
So
all my
guys-
squishies and stress balls.
Oh, look at this one. I've got so many.
I've got some stress balls inside of here, but they're just very small.
Pop chew. Which I traded. Oh.
No.
Which I traded to you, those little small ones.
Yeah. You didn't trade me the pop tube though.
No. I don't have any pop tubes. Does a monkey noodle count as a squishy?
Yes.
Okay. If I can find my monkey noodle. Guys, I'll let you have a look in my bag. So,
Shout, I see it if you see her monkey noodle.
comment down below if you see my monkey.
I just saw something stretching.
Ah, guys, I found it before you. Comment down below if you found it before me. So, monkey nozzle.
Monkey nasal.
More cheese! Guys, my more cheese. I have more. I'll let you have a look at my bag, guys.
Oh my god.
Guys,
stop! You're
guys.
being lame.
Me?
No.
How dare you? Okay.
I said no.
Guys.
I've got two-sided. Look at these. I've got two-sided.
Oh, this. Get up.
That's hard. Oh yeah, I've got one of those as well. Where's mine?
You didn't bring it out. I didn't even see it earlier.
No, that.
Oh, you had yours. I think. Oh, you remember you left it next to my gate.
Oh, did I?
I think so. Guys. She ran off. So this is a squishy. It's not written of me. So
Yeah, guys, by the way, I used
you're
to
very
have.
loud.
I used to have hers of this. We traded. So now I've got the one with more Orbeez in. But I
Yeah.
kind of want to trade back.
You can have the video.
Yeah.
Okay, you're in. Okay, so I'll hand you one. Look at how many. Okay, guys. You can have one more. So look at how many. I'm just gonna stand up, guys. I'm gonna move my bag. I'm gonna move this. I'm gonna move that. I'm gonna move this. I'm gonna move that. I've got scissors right there. Okay, guys, this is almost.
She got scissors because she cut up some stuff earlier.
So these are all my. Oh, I just suddenly dropped down to the floor. Who wants Smelly to do this for you?
Yeah, comment down below.
Okay,
But
rate my
like,
fidgets.
nobody might
Stop!
see
It's
this video.
not story time. Rate my fidgets. Please, not story time.
God, jeez.
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 Okay, rate that.
Josh,
Rate
you
the-
were.
But don't like move it like this. They can't see because
Sorry.
I don't want to show your face. Your face.
I have the exact same monkey noodle for you to feel.
Might. I think that's him.
And I rate this
This is just chilling in your hand. These are all.
maybe a 3.
Because would you rate your own a 3? Yeah.
Maybe mine 4.
Because yours is stickier.
Yeah, I like
Guys, look at this.
It looks like a worm.
Guys, be aware.
Guys, listen to this.
Put it in so where they can see it.
Well, Claudia's going to be rating that, which is mine.
Later. So, rate my DNA stress ball.
I have the exact same one.
Oh, it's
and-
popped. Put it a bit
yeah.
lower so they can see. Okay, good.
So this is her DNA stress ball, and this is mine.
Because mine leaks. 'cause it's-
Yeah, hers leaks, and mine doesn't, because mine is brand new.
Mine
I actually have 2 of them, and this one isn't out.
It's my turn, not yours.
This isn't out of the wrapper, so just
Okay,
gonna
rate mine, not yours.
probably like a 5, because like it's got a hole. So
Well, not a hole. It's got open. Okay. Next up, not this. You've already read this. What
No,
would
I
you,
haven't.
Yes, you have. You've already felt it. So what would you rate it?
I can't remember what it feels like.
Well, you will do it at the end. That one. Keep put it on there so they can
Sorry.
see it.
So this is a foam squishy, which is a bunny, and I particularly myself, I quite like bunnies. And I rate this a 5.
Next item, guys. I think we should do this one.
So I rate this. She actually has a dog that looks exactly like this. And that,
I think I've showed her on my channel before, but then I deleted the videos because they can't. Wait, you can zoom it. I can zoom in.
wait, there's something hard in it.
It's sand, that's what. Okay, Lee. What would you rate it?
So I rate that
It's a rock. What'd you rate it?
a 6.
You?
Actually, a 6.25.
Okay. Guys, comment and like for part 2.